Hello everyone. Today we are living in the era wherein technology and AI has drastically transformed the workplace dynamics. Skills through which you have secured your current job or because of which you are excelling at your workplace have a very limited shelf life. That is why upskilling is the dire need of the hour. But how to do it? And here comes the micro learning. Micro learning is not just a trend, it is actually a strategic training development intervention aligned in a way so that human brain retains knowledge. Psychologist Hermann Emingus introduced the concept of forgetting curve, which shows that 70 to 80% of the newly acquired knowledge dissipates within 24 hours due to lack of reinforcement. Now let's connect this with the corporate L&D architecture. Companies heavily invest on instructor-based training programs and long-term training programs, but still the post-training performance assessment shows the less knowledge retention and the less transfer in the behavioral changes. So what is the reason behind it? Is it due to the employee lack commitment? No, it is not like that. It's because of cognitive overload and lack of reinforcement loop. And here comes the forward-thinking HRs who are redesigning the learning ecosystems using the micro-learning frameworks embedded into the current learning management systems. For example, at JP Morgan and Chase, analysts received a short workflow integrated capsules on risk modeling before going on to any transactions. Similarly, at Deloitte, consultant received a complete digital frameworks on AI-driven dashboards before going on with the client engagement. Micro-learning works well into the operational ecosystems as well. For example, at Amazon, the safety protocols and the SOP updates are delivered in the form of 2 to 5 minutes of digital nudges embedded into the internal system, impacting the efficiencies of the employee and the operational systems. These all initiatives are the perfect example of performance-embedded learning architectures, which helps the HR to create a right mix of career paths for the employees, helping the HRs to strengthen the engagement score, retention ratios, and internal talent mobility in the organizations. So the organization never asks whether the employees are attending the training programs or not, but they want to see whether the training has impacted the business outcomes positively. And for the HR, it is whether my workforce is future ready or not. And that is why the shift is required into the learning ecosystem. And micro learning has brought the real shift into the workplace. For employers, it creates competitive advantage, and for employees, it creates career capital. So in a world where skill depreciates quickly, micro-learning ensures that your knowledge gets appreciated continuously. So keep learning, keep growing. Thank you so much.